everyone, so today we're going to eat Paldo curry volcano chicken fire noodles, just like samyang, curry flavor. So after it's boiled, we're going to put the noodles. We're going to cook it for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Then we shall throw this. And when it's done, we're going to put it into a bowl. After that, we're going to add some seasonings. First, the spice. Then mix it well until it sort of looks like this. Then we're going to add the condiments. And because it's curry flavor, just like that, add the condiments and it's ready to serve. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to eat this curry flavored fire noodles. But it's Paldo, unlike the usual one, the samyang. So I don't know how it tastes, but it's probably pretty much the same. Now we are going to eat. I'm going to try once. One big mouthful of this. Oh, it's really spicy. I don't really remember the taste of a curry, but after I eat this, the aftertaste is like curry, so yeah. Wow, it's really spicy. It's really spicy. Oh my god. Like, it's really red. Just like samyang, but maybe because I haven't eaten something this spicy in a long time, it burns my tongue. It's really spicy. I think this one is spicier than samyang curry flavor. Wow. Almost done. Just a little bit more. Oh. I'm finally done. Wow. Done with no single anything left. Nothing left. It's actually tasty, but to be honest, I prefer samyang curry flavor. I don't know why, but this is more like spicy than curry. But on samyang, well, on samyang, it's perfectly balanced between curry and spicy. So this one, I will rate it 7 out of 10. 7. Just like the one before. It's really tasty, but it's really spicy at the same time. I haven't drank a single drop of water yet, but I hope you guys would like to try it. Paldo spicy curry flavor hot noodles. Yeah, something like that. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video, whatever I make. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.